Let's play ABC Quack. We're going to sing the ABC song, but if we see a duck instead of a letter, we're going to quack like a duck. Here we go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, T, U, V, W, Y, and Z. Great quacking! Let's try again. A, B, C, D, E, F, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, and Z. Yikes! It's getting a little harder. Here we go again. A, B, C, E, F, G, H, I, J, L, M, N, O, Q, R, S, U, W, X, Y, and it sure sounds like there are a lot of ducks in here. Let's sing again. A, C, D, E, G, H, J, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, V, W, and great job, everyone! What? You want to try one more time? Okay! A, B, E, F, H, J, K, Q, W, Y, and Z.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.